Hello, ladies and gentlemen. It's Mike here at Game From Scratch, and I got some terrible news for Unity developers. Well, at least for 7 or 8 Unity developers, that is. And that is Unity Connect is currently shutting down. Now, if you're asking yourself, what's Unity Connect? Well, that's a big part of the reason why Unity Connect is currently shutting down. And I'm in the same boat as you guys, to be honest. I was aware that it existed. I just didn't care. This started about 4 years ago, and it's just not something for me. Basically, you can think of Unity Connect as Facebook for Unity developers. And that might be oversimplifying it, but it seems like an accurate kind of way to summarize it. And it's a way that you could post things. You could post your resume up there, but there's more to it than that. You could share your WebGL games here. You could search for jobs. You could actually even connect with other people and basically tutor people for money. So there was aspects of this that were quite interesting. And if that all sounds really exciting to you, well, tough. Because if you go to the very top here at connect.unity.com, you'll notice this message across the top that says, Unity Connect will not be available after February the 4th, 2021. And we will click the blue link of learning. And when we click the blue link of learning, what we learn is that they launched Unity Connect almost 4 years ago in an effort to provide a free community tool for all users of all experience levels to connect with each other. While the product has a loyal following over the years, usage has declined. So on February the 4th, 2021, we will retire Unity Connect. Some features, for example, posting new content, creating job posts, will be locked before that date. We understand that these changes might cause inconvenience, therefore we have made sure to provide alternatives for some of the most popular Connect features. Please read on to learn more. And by the way, there's not a lot more to read on about. So we've broken it down to there are 4 categories of content from Unity Connect that are going to continue to exist in some form. One is jobs. Jobs and freelancing is now moving to the, I would say cesspit, but that might be a little harsh. I just can't stand the Unity forums. It's a very painful place to work. I'm slowly getting there with forums in general. It just feels like we live in a post-forum world now. But they're moving over to their forums. So we are in the process of preparing them for return and should have them live soon. Keep an eye on the forums for any update when this happens. Please note that your profile information on Connect will not be migrated to the Unity forum, and you will need to create a new profile. Next up, we have groups. Select groups will move to Unity Learn soon. Until then, groups will function as usual on Connect. I think groups is more like the whole socializing aspect. So let's say you were like San Francisco based Unity developers. You could create a group of people and kind of communicate that way. I don't know how that's going to fit in Unity Learn. We'll take a look at Unity Learn in a few minutes. I don't know where you're going to slot that in, but that's the plan. WebGL games, that's actually kind of cool. You used to be able to host your WebGL games on here and get people to try them out. Well, they're still available at play.unity.com. If you have shared your URL in the past, it will be moved automatically. So in that case, no work for you to be done. And Live Help, well, you continue to function as usual on https livehelp.unity.com. So that we'll also look at in a minute. So actually, we'll look at it right now. Live Help is a way of doing one-on-one lessons from verified Unity community experts. So you can basically register with Unity, I think, and start tutoring people for money. And that's if you're looking for direct tutelage with a person, a real person, as opposed to like tutorials or courseware or whatever, Live Connect might actually help. And basically this was just moved, Live Help might help you. This was moved out of Connect and is still its own thing, so you can access this at livehelp.unity.com. So that's really not being impacted. Next up, we have play.unity.com, and this is going to remain here. It is basically a showcase for you to show off your game. There's all kinds of them up here. I actually didn't know this existed, and I actually think it's kind of cool. So what you could do is throw up, so some of these are lessons or games or whatever, but you can also show your own game off here. Why are these all based on contenders? All right, I'm going to go back to the main page here. So what you see here is this guy shared his game out, Super Pizza Boy, and then people can come and see it, people can come and play it, and people can comment on it and give feedback and so on. This is actually pretty cool. I'm glad to see that this survived, and I would have been interested to know that this actually existed. But like so many other people, I never really paid any attention to Unity Connect. So it's good that this is still out there. So if you wanted a place to host your Unity WebGL games and get some feedback on it, you have a portal for doing so. And then the final piece, this is the one I find most confusing. This is Unity Learn. Unity Learn is great. I've actually talked about it a number of times on this channel. In some ways, I think when you bring more and more of these things online, you're going to have overlap with other services you've created in the past. So ultimately, somehow groups are going to end up here, and I don't really know how that works, because Unity Learn is basically a portal for courseware. There's all kinds of multi-part tutorials. Sometimes they do live stream tutorials for groups of people. It's a great service, and the coolest thing is it used to be a premium thing. So you used to have some of it for free, but most of it gated behind Unity Learn Premium. Well, Unity Learn is actually available for everyone. And somehow they're going to jam groups into here somehow too. And I don't really get how that's going to work, but that's what they're going to do. And if you haven't checked out Unity Learn, it's great. It's a great place to start, great place to learn. It's available at learn.unity.com. And that is kind of, yeah, so here you can see some of the courseware that's available. You can filter down. There's all kinds of courses, probably hundreds, possibly even thousands of courses on here now. And that is where all of the ghosts of Unity Connect are going to end up. So again, you got February 4th, 2021. It will all be gone, but that doesn't necessarily mean that parts of it, like posting new content and creating jobs, won't be gone before that. So if you are currently one of those people that uses Unity Connect, sorry, bad news. Press F, pay your respects, pour one out for our homie and all that. But yeah, Unity Connect is dying. And I'm actually kind of interested in knowing what you guys have to say about it. Connect is never obviously something that I got into. So I'd be interested to see what you used it for, and if you basically learned about it today with this video, that's also possible. But if you used Connect and these are the pieces of it that they're going to keep around, I'd be interested to know, is there something you used it for that's just going away? Are you going to miss it? Let me know, comments down below, and I will talk to you all later. So yeah, not the nicest news ever, but realistically, you can't keep everything alive forever. And in some reason, a dedicated social media group forum place for Unity developers, I could see how that didn't take off. So anyways, that is Unity Connect. Rip, my friend, you will be missed, maybe by some. Okay, let me know what you think. Comments down below, and I will talk to you all later. Goodbye.